फेमस सिंगर ते गुड सिंगर
बरे म्हणटा आमकां एंटरटेन करतात बरे मग बस बस
गिटार जाय विदाउट गिटार बरे बस बस या
गुड मॉर्निंग आणि सांजे पाचांक रेडी फाल्याच्या फाल्याच्या सालिगांवचे रेडी सालिगांव
Grace his occasion here. I'm sure he's come earlier for his birthday and to meet all the inmates and the members. So welcome, Delilah also. Yeah. And he comes regularly. Last year he didn't come. Yeah. Anyway.
He came last year.
No.
Last year we asked
Anyway.
He never misses out.
Yeah. I know he missed 1 year and I kept asking that when is he coming? When is he coming? In turn he didn't come. Anyway, nice to see you. There are lots of negative things being written about you, but don't worry, we are always there with you.
Thank you.
Mr. Michael, and since we know that it's your birthday this week, we are every day praying for you, for your good health, wealth, happiness and prosperity. And the same to you. Okay? May the Lord shower His blessings on you. And thanks for coming and showing your love to us, to all the inmates. Thanks a million.
I was happy. Everybody was saying, Sir Michael is coming, Sir Michael is coming. And so we are all happy to see you here. And as you see this moment, we would like to see every time that you will come here. You will make us happy. And we are happy for all the work that you are doing it. You know, and we'll be always with you and we will always pray for you for good health, love and prosperity. And all of you all, not only you but the people who have come gathered here, with this I can make out how much loving you are. So that's why everybody is with you and we are also with you.
Thank you.
Okay? To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Michael, happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dominica. Happy birthday to you. Give it to King God. Chikal Kashevare. Kaldana Sarpure. Mariam Kasofor. Amsa Tikalo.
the work. Hindi, you want to
Bring back my body to me, Bring back, oh bring back my body to me, Bring back, oh bring back my body to me.
आवय ती देवडी म्हणून
तुम्ही हिंगासर येवन बसली हांव हिंगा येयला तुमकां पळोवपाक आनी तुमचे ब्लेसिंग एक म्हणणें आहा की वेन एल्डर्स ब्लेस द ब्लेसिंग इज डायरेक्ट म्हणजे इमिडिएटली जे कितें काम आसता तें जाता आनी तुमच्या ब्लेसिंगानूच हांव परतून येयल्लो आहा कोंगोडच्या लोकांक कांदोलीच्या लोकांक गोंयच्या लोकांक हेल्प करपाक आनी तुमच्या ब्लेसिंगान ही सगळीं कामां जातलीं आनी मागता हांव देवा लागीं की तुमकां बरी सावध दिवपाक good health to all of you who are here at this Ark of Hope and also to all the committee members. तुमचो प्रेसिडेंट बरो ना तेचे बसत मागता आमी आनी तुमचे मेंबर्स आनी स्पेशली आतां मॅडम आयडा सांगताली की न्यू मेंबर्स येयल्या यूथ म्हणून हांव चड खोशी जालो तांकां युथाक पळोवन की ते यूथ हिंगासर तुमकां हेल्प करपाक येता म्हणून आनी हांव मागता युथा कडेन की तुमी आनिकूय यूथ एड करा म्हणून तितून बिकॉज वी हॅव ऑल द टायम इन दीस वर्ल्ड बिकॉज देर इज टायम गिवन बाय गॉड थोडे जाण इतली वर्सां उत्ता संवसारान बट ह्या टायमान आमी कितें तरी बरें करपाक जाय आनी वेन द यूथ गिव्स टायम टू द एल्डर्स फ्रॉम द हावस from the neighborhood and especially when it comes to community and especially हिंगासर आर्क ऑफ होपान जेन्ना यूथ येता आनी टायम दिता असलें काम आसूं तें जर एक लायटीचें बील पासून आर्क ऑफ होपाचें भरपाक जाय आनी यूथ येवन जर तें बील व्हरोन भरून दिता जाल्यार इट इज अ ब्लेसिंग फ्रॉम गॉड ऑल्सो एंड फ्रॉम यू टू द यूथ एंड आय रिक्वेस्ट द यूथ तुमचे कडेन जाता तितली कामां तुमी आर्क ऑफ होपाक प्रोविदोरिया वो आनी खूंय जे आमचे एल्डर्स जो तर गरज आहा एल्डर्सांक तुमी आदार करचो एंड गॉड वील ब्लेस 10 folds God will bless 10 folds and I once again thank the committee members for taking care of you all and also thank all the my close friends and well-wishers who have come over here, the Sarpanch, all the ward members of Kandolim and also my close friends from Shinkerim right up to Parra. सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी अशेंच काम करुया आनी फुडें व्हरया कामाक आनी हिंगासर जर कितें काम करपाक जाय म्हाका कमिटीन सांगुनी एनीथींग इट कुड बी लायक पेंटींग ऑफ दीस प्लेस or anything whatever is required by Ark of Hope for the elders, anything is required, I am there to do it for you all. Thank you very much. God bless.
तुझी कशी सगळ्यात जाता तशी संसारान जा तुझ्या ताई हावस तरे भितर तू सडव आणि सडव दापत पेन बोलले सरस पाव तुझ्या ताई हावस तरे भितर तू सडव आणि सडव दापत पेन बोलले सरस पाव तुझ्या ताई हावस तरे भितर तू सडव आणि सडव दापत Memapakan putra kani pavitratnya Arga tuka sonya Arga tuka dunia Arga tuka Adayani sasnya Tuhan makarot loy Tuhan makapos loy tuji chakri kerja Tuhan makabit loy sasnang sukak pamja Turi makapavonai Somya makapavonai Turi makapavonai Somya makapavonai Argantuka somya Argantuka dunia Argantuka Adayani sasana Dia beregoran tuka
Yeah, that one maybe, you know. The one who's celebrating the birthday. When this one has...
Thank you very much for taking care of them. God bless you. हिंदी करता कोणातच नाही दुसऱ्या पाठ मराठी हिंदी करतात
Direct kang ako lang isache. Isache
कोण बाकीचे कोण आम्ही आलं कोण नसतं पट करू नका
Kasal satunya nu, kemudian Yonela, besok di Tolata. Kita, awal Andrew Nauro. Kita mau? Wala mo, ay okay na. Heroin.
काय ना बरं हा येता आम्ही
Kenapa itu?
कोणतं येता
Bagus.